amazing how I sit and think. Oh, the mind with its powers. I think of real and unreal dreams. I can sit and think for hours. You can have nothing but have something when you get inside your mind. It's a great way to take the strain away.
Crazy Alien Orthodox video take 5. Alright, the trinity of insanity is like the 3 things to where I was making this meal and there's 6 things and I could put them all on the plate and just eat them all in one sitting, but I left 3 in there on purpose. And when I brought this out to eat this now, knowing I could eat this now too with this, but I put it in here because it made me salivate to know that I'm going to eat that future. No, actually, seriously, psychologically. To where if I put it all there, it's just all one big thing. But I have now something more to look forward to, a different trinity. Same thing, there was 6. I could put all 6 here. But if I put 3 here, I know I'm going to eat them soon. But I'm gonna eat these now.
Everything that's great lets life flow. What do you want to do with your life is what I used to hear. Don't mention that question anymore, it's now what I say. Now I have no more fear, I do what I like every day. It's so nice to be so deep in a state of mind, to lose track of yourself as all time goes. It's so nice to be so deep in a state of mind, to lose track of yourself as all time goes by. About you. It's amazing what I can remember about the past, but forget what I did last. Even days, hours, minutes, or seconds ago. Seems like nothing now is important to know. What have I done with my life so far? It's amazing where we are. Just looking back even a year. Did you think that we would be here? A chance to experience life in the finest is put to the test when you don't feel you're at your best. But you know deep inside you try, there are better days. Look at the sky and realize how small we are with every star. It's another sun, then you know now you're not the only one. It's so nice to be so deep in a state of mind, to lose track of yourself as all of time goes. It's so nice to be so deep in a state of mind, to lose track of yourself as all of time goes by. When I dream about you, dream about you. When I dream about you. It's so nice to be so deep in a state of mind, when I track yourself, it's all the time. It's so nice to be so deep in